Good morning, dear children. So, today's science lesson. I hope everyone is fine. So, we'll go to the name of the lesson. We were doing the unit elements and compounds. We have completed 4 lessons 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, and 7.4. So, today we will start our new lesson 7.5. So, please take page number 88. Today we will do only 88. So this will be the part 1 of lesson 7.5. So, and in the next class we will complete the lesson by completing part 2. Okay. So please take page number 88, elements and compounds. This is the last lesson of this unit. Next week we can start a new unit also. Anyways, the learning objective. To learn about elements, compounds and mixtures that are vital for life. Okay. So in this unit, we have studied about what are elements, what are compounds, what are mixtures, what are the examples for that, what makes a compound, what makes an element, what is the difference between all these three. So we have studied almost everything about elements and compounds, and now we'll learn the most important elements, compounds and mixtures, especially for life. Okay, so we'll go to the first topic, oxygen, a vital element. So when we are talking about something which is vital for life, we have to first of all start with oxygen because it is the most vital element of our life. We are alive because of oxygen, because oxygen is the respiratory gas. It is highly required for a living organism, whether it be a plant or an animal or whatever it is. Okay, so oxygen, a vital element. Air contains 21% of oxygen mixed with other gases. So in our previous class, I have given you the example air for the mixture, right? Remember, the mixture which contain both element and compound, one best example is air. So in that air, 21% is oxygen. Lungs separate oxygen for other gases. So we all know where is our lung situated. It is situated in the chest region. So through the nose, if I'm just explaining you the respiratory system of our body, I think you may have studied about it in your previous classes. So anyways, respiratory system of our body means it starts from the nostrils, nose. Okay, so we are taking in all the gases. We cannot take only oxygen or only carbon dioxide or like that. It is not possible. So in air, it is a mixture of almost many gases like oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, argon, etc. So anyways, we are inhaling all the gases through the nose. It will go into the nasal cavity, then it will go through the windpipe, which we call trachea, and there are 2 branches called bronchi, and it will end in lungs. Inside the lungs also there are a lot of structures including alveoli. So you don't have to study all those things in here. Anyways, I'm just making you remember all those things. And anyways, so we are inhaling almost every gases, and when it reach lungs, the blood vessels or the bloods will only accept oxygen. Okay, so because there is a red pigment in our body, I hope you all know, it is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin will only bind with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. I think I'm making it more complicated for you. Anyways, I'm just simply explaining you for your information. If you like, you can hear it. That's it. Anyways, so lungs will help you to separate oxygen from other gases. Okay, so the tins contain 95% oxygen gas mixed with flavorings. So you can see in the picture, one tin is there. It contains 95% of oxygen gas. Okay, so it in this and it the remaining 5% is flavorings. So people say that breathing from the tins makes them feel energetic and helps them concentrate. Why? Because oxygen is such a vital element for our life. It is very important. It makes you feel energetic. Okay, so you may know, if you have seen or not, anyways, this is the oxygen tin. Okay, it contains 95% of oxygen. That's it. Next important compound is water. So here you are studying one example for vital element, that is oxygen. Now next is one example for vital compound, that is water, H2O. Compound, how it is becoming compound? two atoms of hydrogen combined with one atom of oxygen. So different atoms are present. So it is a compound. Water is a compound. It is vital to life. When it comes out of the tap, it is mixed with small amounts of other substances. So what the water which you're getting from the tap or from the pipe in your house or in our school or wherever it is not simply the pure H2O. It is mixed with some other substances also. Maybe it dirt, maybe chemicals, maybe something else. Anyways, it is mixed with small amounts of other substances. Bottled water, which we call mineral water, is also a mixture. The label shows that compounds containing 37 milligram of sodium are dissolved in 1 liter of water. So here you can see a small diagram for this water, mineral water. And if you check if there is a mineral water in front of your table, please check the label. You can see a lot of chemicals in that: calcium, sodium, nitrate, sulfate, fluoride, chloride, magnesium, potassium, etc. So all these are contained in mineral water. That is why we call it mineral water. It is not simply water. It contains a lot of minerals also. So we cannot call it a pure compound. It is a mixture. Okay. So anyways, pure compound water is H2O only. It contains hydrogen and oxygen only. But what we are getting for drinking and all is a mixture. It contains so many other elements also. That's it. So other important compounds. Now we have mainly discussed about water only as compound. Now other important compounds are: your body needs proteins, carbohydrates, fats and minerals. These substances are all compounds. Okay, you all may have heard about proteins which we are getting from egg, meat, fish, etc. Carbohydrates from rice, potato, etc. Fats from egg, same from egg and all. Then and minerals from most of the fruits and vegetables. Anyway, these are the essential nutrients of our body which we are taking in as through food. Okay, these substances are also compounds. To be healthy, you also need small amounts of elements like iron and calcium. But it is no use swallowing iron nails or a lump of calcium metal. You need compounds that contain the elements. These compounds are called minerals. Okay. So this is very interesting, very funny. So if you eat an iron nail or a calcium calcium, the raw calcium, it will cause some problem for you only. Maybe it may even cause a death. Anyways, but you need iron and calcium. So is it irony? No. Actually, your body require iron and calcium, but not in that raw form. It should be taken in as minerals. Okay, these compounds are called minerals. Here are the pictures of some food which you may like or which you may not like. Anyway, after reading this, you should like those foods. Okay, it is very essential for you to be healthy, to build a good immune system and to stay healthy, especially during this pandemic period. Anyways, mineral containing calcium. So calcium is there. So it is contained in which all fruits and foods? I will read it out: milk, cheese, yogurt, eggs, green vegetables. So you use it to what? Make bones and teeth. Okay, so calcium is very important for making bones and teeth. So it is found in foods like milk, cheese, yogurt, eggs, green vegetables. Now next mineral is iron. Iron is found in meat, beans, some breakfast cereals. Now, what is it used to? It is used to carry oxygen in the blood. Okay, because hemoglobin, a red pigment present in blood, it contains iron. Okay, now third one is phosphorus. Phosphorus is found in meat, fish, milk, egg and vegetables. Okay, so these are the food items in which phosphorus is found. It is used to make bones and teeth just like calcium and to help muscles work well. Another function is there, that is to help your muscles work well. So these all are the important minerals: calcium, iron and phosphorus. They are found in these food items and they are used for this purpose in our body. So I have discussed most of the elements, compounds and other minerals which are required by your body. Okay. Hi. So here we will discuss some 3 questions in our textbook. First question is, name one element and one compound that you can't live without. So if you were in front of me, I would have asked you without showing the answer. Anyways, I'll tell you the answer. So one element that is vital, that is oxygen. One compound that is very important, that is water. Okay. So second question. The water in the bottle is mixed with particles of several other substances. Name 3 of the substances. So if you see the label, you can say any 3 of it. So I'm naming sulfate, nitrate, chloride. You can name any other elements which is present on the label also. Anyways, 3 substances are sulfate, nitrate and chloride. Now third question. Suggest how you could separate pure water from the substances that are mixed with it. Use page 92. So you please take page number 92. You can see something that is actually distilling the mixture. That is a process which you don't have to study right now. Distillation is a process in which you can separate substances from pure water. So distill the mixture so that you will get a pure water. Okay, dear students. So now I will give you the summary of this lesson or this part. These substances are vital to life. So which is a vital element? Oxygen. Which is a vital compound? Water. Then another vital substances? Minerals. Compounds that contain elements that the body needs in small amounts. That is the definition for minerals. Compounds that contain elements that the body needs in small amounts. So this is all about today. So thank you so much, dear students, for listening. So please watch this video, read your textbook, complete your worksheet and send the picture of it. Thank you so much.